Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into an exciting find that's perfect for crafters, jewelry makers, and anyone looking to add a bit of fun to their creations. This is the Amaney 480 pieces Smiley Face Beads, hailed as the best acrylic smiley face beads on the market. So, let's get started. These vibrant beads come in a stunning assortment of 24 different colors, allowing you to unleash your creativity. Each bead measures 10 mm, making them big enough to stand out while still being versatile enough for a variety of projects. Whether you're creating bracelets, necklaces, earrings, or even phone charms, these beads are designed to add a cheerful touch to your designs. One of the standout features of the Amaney beads is their impressive quantity. With 480 pieces in each package, you have plenty to work with, ensuring that you won't run out of options anytime soon. Each color comes with 20 beads, allowing for repetitive patterns or varied designs across multiple projects. These beads are crafted from high-quality acrylic, which is not only lightweight but also durable. The smooth surface and exquisite finish ensure that your creations will look professional and polished. Plus, for those late-night crafting sessions, some of these beads glow in the dark, adding an enchanting twist to your designs. Just imagine your handmade jewelry glowing softly in the dark. It's a unique feature that really sets these beads apart. Now, let's talk about versatility. These beads can be used for a wide array of DIY projects. They are perfect for jewelry making, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. You can incorporate them into home decor, craft projects for kids, or even as decorative elements for special occasions like weddings or parties. Their playful design makes them a great choice for creating memorable gifts or party favors that are sure to put a smile on anyone's face. What's great about these beads is that they come with 2 rolls of elastic thread, making it incredibly easy to get started on your projects right away. You won't have to scramble for supplies. Everything you need is included in the package. The elastic thread is stretchy and strong, ensuring that your jewelry will hold up over time while still being comfortable to wear. In conclusion, the Amaney 480 pieces Smiley Face Beads are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add a fun, colorful touch to their crafting projects. With their vibrant colors, high-quality material, and generous quantity, these beads offer exceptional value and endless creative possibilities. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just starting out, these beads will inspire you to create unique pieces that spread joy. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in adding these cheerful beads to your crafting arsenal, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and creative inspiration. Happy crafting, and we'll see you in the next video.